Understand? Good morning to all. I am Rao Sharma from LP Public School, Kolhapur. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class. As you know, your unit electrostatics is going on. In electrostatics unit, the chapter electric field and charge. And today I will discuss about the topic electric dipole. What is electric dipole? So electric dipole is an combination. Electric dipole is an combination of two equal and opposite charges. Electric dipole it is a combination of two equal and opposite charges which are separated by a small distance. Separated by a small distance. Let two charges plus q and second is minus q. It is an dipole. The length of this dipole is 12. We have to take this distance 12 because it is easy to solve the derivation that will come based from this topic. Okay. An ideal dipole. Dipole consists a small distance. It means ideal dipole is separated by a small distance. Okay, and as you know, length is a scalar quantity. But in this case, to represent the direction, we have to take this is a vector quantity. Alif. It shows the direction of dipole. Okay, and there is electric dipole moment which act towards negative to positive. Which act towards negative to positive. It means this is the direction of electric dipole moment. So you can take example like NaCl. In this compound, the Na, this is compound, and Na plus ion and Cl ion both consist equal and opposite charge. Both consist equal and opposite charge, and this separation between Na ion and Cl ion is very small. Then it is behave and dipole. Okay. So next term is electric dipole moment. What is the electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment. The electric dipole moment is the measure, the strength of dipole. Okay, it measure the strength of dipole. Electric dipole moment is measure the strength what is the strength of dipole is measured by electric dipole moment. It is represented by P. It is represented by P, and this is a vector quantity. This is a vector quantity. It is very important in board question will ask electric dipole is a vector quantity or scalar quantity. So you have to write this is a vector quantity. So for board exam this is very important for 1 marks. Okay, and the direction of dipole is along the direction of distance. It means 12. So P, the electric dipole moment act negative charge to positive. Okay, so direction of dipole is negative charge to positive charge. So I hope you understand the electric dipole moment and the direction of electric dipole moment. To find the formula for dipole, the value of electric dipole moment is equal to the product of either one charge and the distance between charges. Okay, so the value of electric dipole moment P is equal to the product of either one charge and the separation between them. It means 2L. So P equal to Q into 2L. So P equal to 2QL. And this is the vector quantity. So you can write this. This is a vector quantity. So formula is P equal to 2QL. So I hope you understand about electric dipole moment. So we can solve a numerical based on electric dipole moment. So question is that find direction and magnitude of a dipole consist or carry plus minus 20 microcoulomb separated by a distance centimeter. Okay, so we have to find what is the direction and magnitude of dipole consist plus minus 20 microcoulomb charge and separated by a distance 20 microcoulomb. So as you know the formula P equal to 2QL. So this is very simple question, but you have to focus on the formula. It is 2QL and this is plus 20 microcoulomb and this is minus 20 microcoulomb. So this distance is 2L, not L. So it means we have to put Q into 2L. So Q, what is the value of Q? This is 20 microcoulomb. So 20 into 10 to the power minus 6. We have to convert microcoulomb into coulomb. Microcoulomb into coulomb. And the distance, this is 20 centimeter. This centimeter is also converted into meter. we have to convert centimeter into meter, because we have to solve numerical by MK's rule, because most constant quantity consists the value under MK system, it means SI system. So that's why to solve numerical we have to convert quantity into MK system. So this is 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. As you know, Q equal to 20 microcoulomb and 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. And L, that is 12, because the separation between dipole is 12. So 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, when you convert this in meter. So this is equal to 400 into 10 to the power minus 8, minus 6 and minus 2 minus 8, and 20 into 20 400. So you can write 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. When important thing, what is unit? This is also very important. What is the unit of electric dipole moment? In board exam, this question we asked many times. What is the unit and dimension of electric dipole? So we have to focus on formula. P equal to 2qL. P equal to 2qL. So as you know, unit of dipole moment. This is Q. Q means charge. Q is charge, and as you know, the unit of charge is coulomb. So this is C, coulomb, and the length, the SI unit of length is meter. So coulomb per meter, you can resolve coulomb. As you know, the formula Q equal to I into T. You have studied in 10th class. Q equal to I into T. What is I? I is current. Current means ampere. And this is time. This is second. So unit of charge is ampere into second. So it means you can write ampere, second and meter. So you can write coulomb per meter, coulomb into meter, or ampere, second, meter. This is the unit of electric dipole moment. Now, if you have to find what is the dimension. Dimension of P. P means electric dipole moment. So you know the unit of ampere is A. Unit of second is T. And unit of M is L. So this is AEL. Or in sequence you can write LEA. This is the dimension of electric dipole moment. So I hope you understand about the unit and dimension of electric dipole moment. So what is the dimension? Coulomb meter. This is the unit of electric dipole moment. So I hope you understand about the unit of electric dipole moment and how to solve a numerical based on electric dipole moment. So I am going to take one other numerical, and after that I will explain the another topic based on electric dipole moment. The electric and electric dipole of moment, or you can write electric dipole moment, electric dipole moment Coulomb meter. If the charges carried by dipole plus 20 microcoulomb and minus 20 microcoulomb respectively, then find the separation, or then find the distance between charges. So this is very easy question. You can solve by using formula. So in this question, as you can see, the value of P is given 40 Coulomb meter, and the value of charge is also given. This is minus 20 and 20. We can use either value because this is a vector quantity, and the negative and positive sign are to represent the direction of dipole. We have to use the magnitude of charge. No need to take sign. Okay. So Q equal to 20 microcoulomb. This is 20 microcoulomb. So Q equal to 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. This is the value of charge. So by using formula, you can solve this numerical. As you know, P equal to 2QL. P equal to 2QL. So P is 40 Coulomb meter, because Coulomb and meter are under MK system, so no need to convert. But this charge is microcoulomb, so that's why we have to write 2 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 C. Okay, so 40 equal to 40 into 10 to the power minus into L. So 40 into 10 to the power minus 6 L. So L equal to 40 upon 40 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 1 into 10 to the power 6. It is not an ideal dipole. This is only for practice. The L equal to 1 into 10 to the power 6. and in exam we can leave it. The distance is 1 to 10 to the power 6. But we have to remember that this dipole, the length is 12. This length is 12. It is not L. So that's why we have to write 12. And 12 equal to 2 into 1 into 10 to the power 6. It means 2 into 10 to the power 6. When we solve it, it is 12. So 40 divided by 20. So 2 will come and 10 to the power plus 6 meter. So this is the procedure to solve numerical. So it is very important. You have to remember this point. And in my next video, I will solve next topic. Thank you very much.